Welcome to my channel Veer Shaurya Learning Lab.
Hey guys, what's up? Now you enjoy. I hope you are enjoying the 31st December. So I take something interesting for you. So it is a small camera. So I'm making this. So I'm starting. First, the piece is this. This piece will connect here. Then we will put this piece on the top for the lookings, and then we will put this long piece on the top to make the camera's down part. Then we will put this piece to make the tines of the camera. Then I will put like this small piece, and I will put this here for the stand. Then I will put this piece for the stand to hold it down. Then I'm putting this piece on here. So then I will put this piece part. Then this can be go around and around to make the camera look. And I will put this piece here. It come out. Then I will put this. And then I will put this piece here for the looking for to this part. I will put this here, and now I will put these. So guys, I'm finding something. One piece is missing. Then I'm finding that it will be here or somewhere. Then I find this part for then I will put this part here for the light. Then our camera is done. This whole piece is looking good, and we can turn the camera like that so we can record everything. And this is the stand to hold it upper and make it closer to the video. So bye bye guys. Now this video is done. Thank you for supporting me. Now subscribe to my channel and do everything in videos. And bye bye. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.